Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to disable auto brightness on your iPhone and iPad. So if your iPhone or iPad keeps adjusting brightness on its own and you would rather want to control it manually, you are in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to easily disable auto brightness on your iOS or iPadOS device. That's it. Let's get started. So first we have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to choose the accessibility option. And inside the accessibility menu, find and tap on display and text size option. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and turn off the toggle right next to auto brightness to stop automatic adjustments. And that's about it. Once disabled, you can manually adjust brightness by the control center or the settings, display and brightness section. Just keep in mind that higher brightness levels can drain the battery faster. And that's about it. Now your screen brightness will stay exactly where you set it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone and iPad tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.